Hello everyone, this is Arzu. I welcome you all in Arzu's Academy of Excellence. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, this video is meant for all the KBS, NBS, and CBSE schools. Today, we are going to discuss Learner's Diary of Class 8, Subject English. So, let's get started the video. The name of the chapter or the unit is Science and Curiosity. Unit 5, Class 8, Subject English, Textbook, Purvi. So your first point is what I have learned in this chapter. So in this chapter, I learned that curiosity is the first step towards scientific discovery and innovation. I understood that asking questions, observing carefully, experimenting, and thinking logically help us understand the world around us. The lessons showed how scientists use curiosity, hard work, and perseverance to solve problems and make new discoveries. I also learned the importance of scientific thinking in our daily lives. This chapter improved my reading, vocabulary, speaking, and writing skills while encouraging me to develop a questioning attitude. Then I realized that every great invention begins with a simple question. Overall, this chapter inspired me to stay curious and continue learning throughout my life. So, your second point is what I have found interesting in this chapter. The most interesting part of this chapter was reading about scientific discoveries and curious minds behind them. I enjoyed learning how observations and experimentation lead to new ideas and inventions. The stories and examples made science appear exciting and meaningful. After this, I found the discussions and activities enjoyable because they encouraged me to think creatively and ask questions. Learning about the achievements of scientists motivated me to explore new concepts. I also liked the interesting facts and new vocabulary related to science and technology. Then the unit connected science with everyday life in a simple and engaging way. It encouraged me to become an active learner and a better problem solver. So your third point is what I have found challenging in this chapter. So here are the points. Some scientific ideas and technical words were new to me and required careful reading to understand. I found it challenging to explain certain concepts using my own words. Answering higher order thinking questions required logical reasoning and close reading of the text. Then at times I needed to reread the lesson to understand the sequence of events and the scientific ideas clearly. Learning the meanings and correct usage of new vocabulary also took extra effort. After this, however, regular practice, classroom discussions, and my teacher's guidance helped me overcome these challenges. Gradually, I became more confident in understanding and expressing scientific ideas. So, your fourth point is what I can do more to make this chapter interesting. So, here are your points. To make this chapter more interesting, I can read books and articles about famous scientists, inventions, and scientific discoveries. I can perform simple science experiments under the guidance of my teachers or parents to understand concepts better. I can maintain a curiosity journal where I write interesting questions and try to find their answers. I can watch educational science videos and documentaries to learn new facts. Participating in science exhibitions, quizzes, and group discussions will further increase my interest. I can also learn the meanings of new scientific words and use them in my speaking and writing. Sharing interesting scientific facts with my classmates and family will make learning enjoyable. That's all for today. Thank you, dear students.